Hello guys, so in this video we will take a quick look into what is a spatial adjustment. And spatial adjustment is an option that you can enable from the toolbar menu here, spatial adjustment. And basically spatial adjustment is very similar to georeferencing, but it works with feature classes as well. So let's say, for example, someone send you a feature class that is not adjusted to your current one. So let's give an example here. Say that we will try to readjust this feature right here that someone sent it to you, but it's not right. So let's do some editing to this layer right here, which is the small counties, to try to do the spatial adjustment. In order to enable the spatial adjustment, we need to enable the editing for this layer. So let's start an editing session. And here we have the create features window opened, and as you see, we don't see the small counties. And sometimes this is one of the issues that you might face anytime that you don't see a certain layer into the create features window. And if you click here to see what's going on, you will see that if you click on the small counties, you will see at the bottom the explanation say the default attribute value of the feature template do not satisfy the layers definition query, which means that sometimes you need to disable the definition query in order to enable the editing for a certain layer. So here we will remove the definition query and we click OK, and you will see that now we can edit our layer. So let's get the editing tool and we select it, and still we cannot select it. And this is one of the things also that you have to keep in mind. If you cannot select any feature, where you enable the selection is by going to list by selection, and you make sure that your layer you want to work on is selectable. So we toggle the selection here. Now we can select our layer. Let's go back to the layer view. So let's say right now that you have a feature that is not in the right place and it's distorted. The way to fix this is by using the spatial adjustment. So let's zoom a little bit more to this area right here and see how can we use the spatial adjustment to put this back where it belongs. As you remember, in the georeferencing, you're going to use the control points or a link tool by coming here and try to match points to where you want this feature to go, and make sure you have your snapping enabled to vertex so things are easier for you. So let's create our control points. One here, another one here, and this one can go there, and this one here. And in order to do the adjustment, you just come here and say adjust, and you will see that this feature goes back to the right place. So sometimes again you might have some features that is distorted and it's not in the right place. All what you need to do is to enable the spatial adjustment and do adjustment. So that's how you can do spatial adjustment. If we go back again by Control Z and we see our points of connection, you can see all the link points by enable the view link table, and you can see these points and you can select them and you can delete any of them, or you can change the values for the X and Y for any one of them. And also you can save this control points or link points by save a link file, and you can send it to someone so when they receive it they can open it and they can use the same links you used in your map. So spatial adjustment is, as you saw right now, it's very similar to what georeferencing does, is to use this tool to fix any distorted feature classes, to put your features in the right place using control points and links between your feature and any place you want to put it. So that's it for spatial adjustment, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.